here's the thing. AI can help you create meal planner pages, diary pages, journal pages, you name it, it doesn't matter. But only if you have a good structure. A random prompt gives you random results. So a custom prompt template gives you pages that actually match your planner style, your audience, and your product idea. And if that interests you, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are talking about creating meal planner pages faster with custom AI prompt templates, okay? And I'm just going to give you an overview about everything we're doing today. I told you guys last week that I would give you a tutorial on how these planners were created. So let's get into it. Okay, now as you look at these planners that I have for the meal planners, you will see that I want to show you the different outcomes that I got with each generator. For instance, here is for the meal prep planner. When I use ChatGPT, this is what I got. Okay, totally different. When I use Gemini, this is what I got. And then when I use Artistly, this is what I got. Okay, and this is basically your the prompt that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you how to change that into a template. So please stay tuned till we get to the end of the video so that you can see that part. Okay, now here is the one for the grocery list, and this is the one done with ChatGPT, and this is also the one done with Gemini. And you can see, like, the reason why I'm showing you this is so that you guys can get an idea of how using different generators can give you different outcomes and give you different styles. So you will be able to use that to sell, because someone might not like this style here, but they might like this style here. So that's why it's very important for you guys to have more than one image generator that you use. Right now I use ChatGPT. I also use, of course, Artistly, and I recently started using Gemini because I do a lot of things with Notebook LM. That's just to give you an overview of how this works, okay? So basically, um, if you want to create a template using the prompts that are given, especially in my free planner prompt guide that you can sign up for free, and there will be a link in the description box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this prompt. Okay. Okay. I hate doing it in here. Give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, so what I did was that I copied the prompt from the PDF, and it's the meal prep planner. And what I'm going to do is I am going to ask chat to change this into a template. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so now what chat is doing, what I hate that it does, and I told chat to actually change this into a template, and it looks like it's giving me an image. But I'm gonna wait a minute because sometimes it does that, and then it does wind up giving you a prompt. So let's make sure. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, and it did do that. Okay, so this is how you can take the prompts that I have, especially like I told you in the free planner prompt guide that I have, and I'll show you an image of it, that you can take those prompts and have it customized. And here we go right here, and you can see how it gives you different items that you might want to add. your own color, which means also like your branding colors or whatever colors you might use, like that's trending colors that people like, that go together or that's popular at the time of you creating the planner. And it also gives you different sections. This is exactly how you would create that template to make that template more custom, okay, to what it is that you're looking for. Now I am going to bring you in the back part so that we can, let me go in here, and I am going to show you guys. Okay, that's not the one we need. Close out. I am looking for the free guide for you guys. Here we go. Okay, and there we go. This is the free guide that you guys can sign up for. It is the Planner Prompt Starter Kit. And this one here is the focus for this one is on self-care. Now, as you know, like I said, my channel is not about self-care. My channel isn't even about planners. My channel is basically about how to use AI and templates as systems to help you create more beautiful designs for your digital products, okay? So if you would like to get that, of course, the link in the description box will be down below. Okay, so let's continue with the video. Now I want to show you guys that once you have these planners in place, or the page is created, and you're not sure if you want to just have them digitally where they can use them on different digital platforms that's on iPads, or if you want it to be available for them to download. And if that is the case, you want to go, if you have Artistly, like I said, God, Artistly has everything. Artistly will have just about everything, so you don't even have to use their leave their platform. Sometimes you would have to go out and get an upscaler or something like that. So if you want them to download this product, what you want to do is go into Artistly, go into the AI Design Agent. You can click AI Upscaler, or you can click the Custom Upscaler. And the Custom Upscaler is basically for if you might have created something in an 8 by 10 format and you want to make um, a bigger product where when someone prints it out, they can go from a 16 by 20 all the way down to a 5 by 7, and it will still keep the integrity of the beauty of the picture. You can use the upscale images for that. Now also, when you get ready to download your image, you want to upload it to Artistly. I'm sorry, into Canva. And once you upload it into Canva, you're going to go into Share. You're going to go into Download, and you're going to pick PDF for printing. Okay? Now, when you pick PDF for printing, you want to also make sure that you choose the CMYK option, because it's best for printing in case they want to print that out. Now, you may be wondering, it's like, well, when will I know to use it? To be on the safe side, if you're selling a digital product, you want to give them both options. So I think that the best thing that you can do is always print it out. Create it as a printed version, so that if they do decide to print it out and not use it on a particular software for your I'm so sorry, a particular software using your tablet, that would be the best route to go. So it would be the best of both worlds, okay? So basically that is how that would go. So guys, again, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to pick up your free guide, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.